In this video, we'll show you how to fix the YouTube error 403. If you're seeing a message like this when trying to comment saying, "Error, this operation couldn't be completed. com.google http status error 403. Don't worry, we've got a simple fix for you. The first thing we'll do is head into your device settings, whether you're using an iPhone, Android, or computer. From there, scroll down and tap on General. Then scroll all the way to the bottom and select VPN and Device Management. This error typically happens when a VPN is enabled. YouTube or Google might not like certain VPNs, especially when commenting. So if you have a VPN set up and turned on, try turning it off and then check if the error is resolved. Alternatively, if you don't need the VPN, you can remove it completely from this menu. That's the first fix. But there's another possible issue, so let's go back to the main settings screen. Tap on your name at the very top of the screen and then tap on iCloud. Scroll down a bit and look for Private Relay. Private Relay is Apple's built-in VPN, if it's turned on. Your iPhone routes all traffic through Cloudflare's VPN, which might be causing the issue with YouTube. I recommend turning this off as well. Once you've done that, open up YouTube again, and you should be able to comment without seeing the 403 error anymore. I hope this helps. If it did, please consider subscribing to the channel, it really supports me. Thanks for watching.